Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and we've teamed up with Get Licensed to start a brand new driving channel. It's obviously on 0 subs with no videos. Here's the thing, Get Licensed bought a Lamborghini Aventador, then paid us to wrap it as a learner car to market their new online driving instructor finder. A few people inquired about paying £2 a lesson, but you guys were right. Learning in a Lambo is a ridiculous idea. It's automatic, it's too powerful, and no one will insure a learner. But that got us thinking, what is the ideal car to learn to drive in? I'm talking practically, technically, and visually. If we can make the perfect learner car, what does it look like? Ooh. Over the next 3 to 6 months, we're going to attempt to revolutionize, disrupt, and shake up the whole learning drive experience for both instructors and learners. There are over 35,000 driving instructors teaching 1.4 million learners to take their test every year. We're going to talk to learners, instructors, examiners, car manufacturers and designers. We'll look at UK law, what they do in other countries, and study other disruptive apps like Uber and Deliveroo as we try to develop the perfect learner experience. But wait, I'm a car fanatic, a speed freak. I love driving. Cars have always been a big part of my life. However, I passed my test first time a million years ago, and I'm going to need an approved driving instructor to join me on this journey and be the face of the channel. If this is you, go to the link in the description and fill out the form, including a video of yourself. Remember, you have to be an active ADI and you have to submit a video as you'll be presenting videos.
Hi, so I think I would make a great driving instructor because I love working with people and meeting new people. I'd be great for the job because I love cars, I love driving.
On Friday, we're going to pick 5 instructors that we feel are most suited to this role. And then each of those ADIs are going to take me for a real lesson. This will be filmed and put on the Yiannimize YouTube channel, and it'll be up to you guys to help me pick at least one driving instructor. So I'm really excited. I've got no idea how many videos this is going to take, but you guys will be with me every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.